There is Zarya. Zarya, what are you doing there? What are you hiding? Zarya's he's gonna try and catch birds, guys. He's over there. He's over there, Zarya. He's trying to hide so she can catch all the birds. She can catch all the birds. There's tons of birds, guys. There's tons of birds. Especially over there. There's lots of birds over there. Oh, there's a lot of birds. And Zoya, the kitty, she's over there hiding. She already caught a bird. Zoya, what are you doing there, girl? Sorry. It's funny, this cat was hiding over there. Zarya! I gotta show you guys bird that Zarya got. My son put it in the box, guys. He put it in the box. See? This bird's in shock. Hi. I think this bird is kind of hurt. Are you hurt? You hurt? Where, birdie? I'm gonna pet you. Sorry, Zarya got you, huh? Zarya got you. So we're gonna take care of this bird for a little bit. Hopefully he'll eat and drink, and he's in shock right now, guys.